Hello everyone!
3S.
We just met all
Subscribe
these
to
people right here.
Hey guys.
Yeah!
Waffle.
Fans.
Waffle.
Hello guys! All of these fans right here. And we are gonna take some dinos.
Hello.
I'll subscribe today.
Yeah, we're gonna take some dinos.
Yeah, Loki, I'm a subscriber right now. I'm
subscribe
once my
VR dies because
Hey, let's move
if I
it,
take
move
off my
now,
VR, it just
move
automatically just goes away.
Yeah.
No,
Wait,
I'm joking.
I'm gonna go in first person
I
now.
see.
Right, go in first person.
Yeah.
I see. Should I? Guys,
Don't call
Guys.
me dumb.
guys, we can kill him. Guys, I'm buying bats. I'm buying.
Hello.
Guys,
Hello.
we can kill him with bats or spears.
Wait, I want a
What
bat.
do you guys? No,
On your back, mate.
spears and bat takes.
On your back.
Wait,
too.
wait, what's your profile?
Thank you.
Gorilla tag monkey with headphones on. Blue.
I see. Jump on my back. I see. Jump on my back.
Wait, is it?
Go.
The full
It's
name is
ICVR3S.
ICVR3S. The full name is ICVR3S with no spaces.
I will type
Wait,
that.
let me quickly see that. What's it called?
ICVR3S.
No. I don't
No
trade.
spaces.
I see you jump on my back.
And then shoot me there.
Wait, is it ICVR3S?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Yes, that. Yeah.
Thanks.
Wait, what time is this video? What time? Hey, take this.
I'm just gonna post.
Elias.
I'm gonna post it right after we're done recording.
Pink.
And I'm behind you guys. We're gonna take the lava bus now. Come on, guys. We're gonna take the lava bus.
Do you know why people was freaking out? Like, is it because you're so popular?
I don't know at all.
Like, I thought, well, like, I knew people watching some people, I knew people also first kill this guy.
Oh, yeah, someone's right behind you. No, where are you going?
No, that's boss. First kill that. That's boss.
See. Oh, I need to go off. Like, I need to go damage the Leva. Yo, can you fly me over to
No,
there?
no, can we first take this? Can we first take this?
No, because it takes time.
Yeah, just, I see. Like, if we get the lag on the
Yeah, okay, guys, we're taking the alpha. Guys, we're taking the
guys
alpha.
are taking the alpha.
Take that one.
Alpha, you are my worst enemy. I came here to fight.
Okay, guys. We're gonna take the egg. don't have minigun.
Jump off. I don't need it.
I don't have my minigun. Which means I can't. Wait, what? Bro, please give us the egg. Bro, guys, we need Luke.
Luke is back.
Hey, Bob!
I'm gonna fly around. I'm gonna fly around. Go on top.
Yo, we need to hatch him.
Alright. Yeah, you on top?
Spin around it. Spin around it.
I'll grab the
I see.
Yeah? Does anyone have a back saddle? No, I died! I died!
I see.
Yeah?
I died.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna come. Wait, almost everyone left.
No.
Yes,
Did
there's
I?
only 2 people left. No. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's
Jump on my back. Jump on my.
no, I can
Oh
just
no,
use mine.
You're just gonna use the icy dino.
Yeah, but this is icy, you know? This is the icy dino.
What's your main dino? Is that your main dino?
No, I don't. No egg. Ah. No, I don't have any more now. No egg. Ah.
Hallo?
No egg. Damn.
Vi holder på. Jeg er en kode der vi dreper bosses.
Wait, I'm gonna end the video now. Yo, is Bob still
I
here?
found someone skyling. It just respawned.
Yo, is Bob still here? Yeah, he is. Okay. What? Yo, everybody come back to the trading place or whatever.
Back again.
Yo, where's Bob?
There he's back. Hello, friend. Hello?
Yo, everyone come to. No, everyone that's still here, come to the trading place.
Ja, jeg tenkte sånn at restaurant, så begynte vi bare å drepe bossesken.
Yo,
Guess
Bob!
who's back? Back again.
It's Bob!
Men jeg spør, vil du join? Du kan joine.
Yo, I'm gonna end the video now.
There he's back. Look who's back.
Yo, Bob, come!
Me?
Yeah, come.
Why you call me a bitch? What did I do to you? Guess who's back? Back cooking. Sherman's back.
Okay, guys, so that's gonna be it for
Go
the
tell
video.
him.
That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for everyone who was here. And
Og så Eskil, og så begynner Elias å begynte Elias å lage en bil.
and bye, boo. Bye.